I wish I could say I've always been a Christian, but friend, that just wouldn't be true. For there was a time when this old heart of mine was lost and broken in two. Then I met Jesus, and in an instant my every dream had come true. For he reached down his hand and changed this old man in a way only mercy could do. His eyes of compassion look beyond all my sins. He knew all my past and where I had been. He picked up the pieces, made me over anew. He did what only mercy could do. He did what only mercy could do. Oh, how I treasure his love beyond all measure, for it's given the very life that I live. This forgiveness I found turned my whole world around and took away all of my sin. Forever I'll thank him, forever I'll praise him. Though I wish there was more I could do. Oh, but nothing from me could ever be as great as what his mercy could do. Oh, his eyes of compassion look beyond all my sin. He knew all my past and where I had been. He picked up the pieces, made me over anew. He did what only